How you doing, guys? Thank you for coming back to see Vet 51. That light's going to make it a little issue. Hey, this is going to be some process. It's a quick process in some returns, but if, my thing is looking at these doggone instructions, it's kind of like up and down. So we're going to give this a shot, okay? I hope you like it. And again, I'm the layman's man terms when it comes to anything firearms related. Okay, so start off, I broke it down. I got the parts. I broke down the biggest part of the it's funny, model 995. Okay, we're gonna give this a shot, guys. Let's see how this goes. Okay, oh man, I got the snifflies. All right, here we go. Some of them come with takedown pins, quick spring loaded takedown pins, but not this one, not mine. So this is the counter weight balance, I think they call it. If I can look at this instructions real quick, and I'll tell you what it is. Yeah, counterweight bolt. Okay, where's my T-wrench here? Let's screw it down. Let me tell you, this is, I don't know. Before you could see it, now you can. Let's see. Let's try. I don't know. You might not like it, but I hope y'all give me a thumbs up anyway. There we go. Nice and tight. So let me put these. See, if you have the bolts from the older model, you're gonna have to use those. Okay, so there we go. And here goes this screw. This side. Just gotta tighten it up. Got a little ratchet here that they was using because this thing could be a problem child. So it is going to be a problem child. I can feel it already. And see, is the bolt's long enough? That's going to be the problem. There it is. It didn't fit all the way. It got to be, because it's a hex. You got to make sure it goes all the way. It fits all the way in. Hey, already running into issues. But you have to hand screw it first. Because if you don't, it's hard to grab because it isn't sitting. So you have to do some kind of wiggle. It's on there, but it has to grab. The threads aren't grabbing. They're not grabbing. That could be an issue. So it's all the way in. We're going to have to work on this a little bit. If it's being held by the... I think I have to do... Lord have mercy, I think this is going to stop. I think I got this going here now. There's a little issues because it's a little off, but I think I could get it now. Tighten it up. Okay, here goes the other one. You gotta make sure it just seeds in. There we go. Okay, here we go. There we go. I'm not an armorer, but I'll make with what I got. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm going to follow these instructions a little bit over here. Let's see. I don't have the pop-out, take-out pins. Some of them, you get these springs. You got to replace these springs with the takedown pins that have the notch. This one you have to screw in because I have the older version. And so the next thing we're going to go with, I can adjust the trigger. Pull. There's a little area inside to allow me to do some for take up or over travel. So I'm going to just put it together the way it came. Okay. And let's go to the next area. I got to put the charging handle in. So the charging handle is this piece. So I shoot right. There we go. There we go. Right there. And it says you gotta make sure the spring retained in spring channel. So I gotta push the retain spring all the way back there. There it is. It's a little area right in here that you got to push the spring all the way back to. It's hard to see, sorry, lighting kind of sucks, but believe me, you can figure out the instructions how it pretty much helps out. So let me see, I got that one in there, I got it in there. Okay, the next one, let's see how this works out. Now it says to put this back on there, but I have some concerns. I'm looking at these things here and I'm wondering what is this? What is this? What is this piece? You gave me some extra pieces. So let's see as we get to the end. Okay, so I'm gonna put the top back on. So problem is, you know what I forgot? I gotta take this little mama jammy off. Oh boy, isn't this a rough neck? Let me see, do I have the right one? Yeah, I do. I didn't want to. I wanted to keep it on, actually, but it is what it is. In order to get it on, I could probably put it back on. Huh. Alright, so I gotta get these little things off now. So, let's see what I got. Nope, gotta go smaller. Take the smallest one I got. We're gonna pause off a minute. I'm getting this front side off. It's taking a second. I found the right Allen wrench size for it. Oh, there it is. Nice and simple. As long as you have the right tool, I can always put it back on. Alright, so let's see how this works out. Yep. Layman's terms. Let's see where we're at. Let's see. I can feel some resistance somewhere. I don't know if it's going to be because of something's a little off. Oof. Taking it back off is going to be a son of a bee. And like I said, let me see something here. Okay. Okay, you gotta make sure this thing allows you to lock it back. It's not locking back. So let's see if I have to give it a little whack with the hammer. There it is. A little whack with the hammer. Boom. Yep. There it is. Let's see. Safety. Safety's on. Safety's off. Let me get the charging handle. The charge. Oh, pull the trigger. That's an easy trigger. Let me see the magazine. Well, I had an extent. The problem with these magazines, because they have this block here, it won't seat up just a little bit, but I'm going to have to maybe grind that down a little bit. But regular one, there it goes. Oh, let me charge it. Nice. I don't know if this is going to work out. Yeah, I got another safety. This one works. You got so if you take this one off, the other one's on. So it's like you have two safeties now. Pretty good, huh? It looks nice. So what I'm going to do now is, I don't know, should I put this one on or this one? Now mind you, this one is this. So I'm thinking this one. So let's see how that, see if it works out. If it works out for this type of. There we go. Put it around. I like close up. I don't like that far back. You know why? I think I have a plan for something. See if you guys, how you think. Okay, now. Oh, that's pretty good. Huh? There you go. But what if I want to just put it down? I want to see something. Let's see what you guys think. I got a TLR light. Yeah. So put it right up front. Screwdriver. You tell me what you guys think. And then what I can do is actually, because this end I think it's just a little too far back. So it keeps my finger up closer. Just a little closer. And look where it puts my finger. Now, it's right here. There you go. See that? Yeah? I can always go like this, right with the thumb. Or I can hold it down with the thumb. See? Like that. Push out with the thumb. Boom. That don't look too bad. And then, you have enough space. There we go. So, let's see what else. Anything else you guys think I should put on? How about one of these suckers? It's just a, you know, rinky dinky little something. And I took the battery out. And let's see. So, I'm thinking maybe right here. Because technically I'm used to my AR. So if I put it right about here, I think that should be good. You think? Alright. So, there we go. quick pop on, tighten it up, boom. There we go. So, guys, what I'm not going to do is, I'm not going to put it in the front A side, right? I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to wait. I could extend this up so I can see the red dot, but I'm going to wait. I want to get you guys' opinion. So, what do you think? I think until I go out and shoot it, I don't know. But I want your opinion. Thumbs up, thumbs down. But I hope you give me a thumbs up. Okay? The layman's man here with the what you want to call this again? I forgot what they want to call it. The MBS 95 Bullpup stock. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, you know, if you want to put a... Oh, look what happened. There we go. Now it's seated. Good thing I checked. Right here, you can put a... if you want a harness, you can put one in. They send you these little pieces so you can do it. Some Allen wrenches. I got extra pieces left over. So again, I thank you for watching Vet 51. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't like it anyway, give me a thumbs up anyways. I appreciate you watching. You have a good evening, and again, be good, stay strong, and always have a weapon. Until next time, leave your comments, concerns, and anything else down there on the bottom, and I would appreciate it. You have a good night. Thank you.